So I'm going to show you around my room. Not normally this tidy, but I thought I should at least make a bit of an effort because I'm showing you around it. Hello, my name is Neal and this is Lovaine Hall, the place where I have been living for the past 2 years.
Hi, I'm Abhilasha from India, and today I'm going to speak about my life in Lovaine Halls. So just step into my shoes and follow me. The most important thing which I feel is the mirror here. Like being a girl, I love to make up and get ready. So this mirror helps me a lot. There's also a sink here which helps you to just get up in the morning and get yourself refreshed.
The first thing I did is put some photographs in my room of my friends that I knew from my hometown. And then these were the flatmates that I made in my first semester. How cute is that? This is the main bathroom. We have a toilet, a sink, and of course the best part, the bath. In this room we have one of the 2 showers as well as another toilet. You really don't clash as much as you'd think. Not once did I need to use it when someone else was using it. And if they were, I just used the other shower.
And this is the kitchen.
I'm sure you're well aware of the stereotype that all students ever eat at university is ramen noodle, and while I can definitely say I've eaten my fair share of ramen, we have a kitchen. So let's cook something. And here we have a prawn jambalaya.
The best part about the kitchen, I feel, is this. The table. You get to interact with a lot of different people. We even plan out for parties on the weekends. So each one of us decides to cook the special dish of their country and we can just hang out. All these things make kitchen a good place to socialize with people and create memories in your uni life.
One of the reasons why I love this place so much just straight away is how close it is to absolutely everything. I can roll out of bed and be in lecture in about 3 minutes. As I'm leaving, I'm gonna time how long it takes me to get to lecture. 2 minutes exactly. On Thursday nights, we have karaoke at the Student Union. Okay, we are on the clock. 1 minute 53. I absolutely love it here, hence why I've lived here for the past 2 years. It's very easy living here, the staff are friendly, you're never really far from anything if you're bored.
Lovaine Halls is an affordable hall and one of the best halls in the university.
You really do get a lot for the very little money that you pay.
I would recommend people to come to Lovaine Halls because I feel that Lovaine Halls has all the essentials that a student needs. The place has many people with different backgrounds and cultures, so you can make a lot of new friends from the people all over the world.
Hopefully this has been useful, and if you like what you see, hopefully you choose Lovaine next year. Thank you and goodbye.